Hello and welcome to Hotel de la Vasseur, where we have world-famous spa facilities. In fact, we were rated the #1 spa in the world by Bougie Life magazine. So schedule your appointment today. Come in a hot mess and leave your very best, 'cause you deserve it.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. So last month I did a video where I showed how you can turn your bedroom into a 5-star luxury hotel. But I thought to myself, why stop there? In fact, we're just getting started, okay? Because this is now going to be a series where we will transform our entire home into a luxury experience, 5-star hotel on a budget. We're jumping into it. With all of that said, let's get started. The first step into transforming your bathroom into a spa-like experience is decluttering. If we remove the clutter, that's going to make it just look more visually appealing, lighter, brighter, and having clutter in your bathroom just creates stress. The spa does not have clutter. Clear counters, clear mind. Let's turn our attention to the vanity area because the luxury spa is always dialed in. First, my toothpaste. This is a little hack that I love. I still use this every day. I put my toothpaste into this glass pump dispenser. Yeah, you might be surprised, but not only is it so much easier just to pump your toothpaste out this way, it looks nice. I never have to deal with a toothpaste tube again. The next little spa-like luxury element I have here on my countertop, instead of my ugly mouthwash bottle, I have this beautiful glass decanter with the cup on top. My mouthwash is in here. Then in the morning, evenings, when I need to do my mouthwash, just pour it into the cup, do a little swish swish, and I'm good to go. And it looks so pretty here. And I have my Blue Land glass refillable soap container. This is my favorite soap. I talked about this in a recent video, but it's just the most thick, luscious foam. Next thing in your vanity for your washcloths, get a little basket. You can find one that you already have and roll up your washcloths. This is how they have it at the spa. It's just that little added touch of elegance. And my other tip here, switch to baby washcloths. Mine are actually, of course, bamboo, but I find them to be like 3 to 4 times softer than a regular washcloth. You obviously cannot feel through the screen, but you could almost even just see how much softer these are. And then to be using on your face, you want to go for something nice and soft. I'm sorry, am I in my bathroom? Or am I at the Four Seasons? I also love the idea of having greenery, plants, flowers in the bathroom. So you can go with faux or real. For Mother's Day, I was sent fresh flowers, so I have those in here for now. This beautiful floral arrangement. I wish it would stay like this forever, but you know, for the most part, I just go for my faux flowers. When we remodeled this bathroom, the best thing we did in here were these light up vanity mirrors. But look, our theme here is bougie on a budget. So if you don't want to splurge on the built-in light up vanity mirrors, you can get these portable ones. These are battery operated, rechargeable. And this one I found, I love. It has the light here that is dimmable, that I appreciate. So it makes it much easier getting ready. You can really see what your makeup looks like. Another thing that I added in here, and 10 out of 10 recommend. This is a $10 upgrade. It is this motion sensor LED light. I put it underneath the vanity in my bathroom. So in the middle of the night when I get up to use the restroom, it lights my way without me having to turn on the stark bright light and wake me up. For me, a decadent, luxurious bath is my #1 self-care thing that I do for myself in my own home. It is a weekly ritual. So let's talk about how we can elevate our basic bath. Laying in a hard porcelain tub, that's just not comfortable. That's not the vibe. So the first essential must have, if you do not already have one, is a good bath pillow. So this is the one that I have. We need neck support. We need upper back support. It has to be nice and cushy. And the problem with bath pillows is sometimes the suction cups, they'll slip down. That's not good. We don't want that. So a little trick, what you can do with any suction cups that you really want to stick, put a little bit of Vaseline on the suction cups and then stick it to whatever surface and it's not gonna move. So that's what I've done. So now our head, our neck, our shoulders are nice and cradled and supported. So I'm a bubble bath fan. The key with getting your bubbles right is pouring your bubble bath mixture into your empty tub and then turn on the water and let the water hit where you're pouring your bubble bath, and that is going to create the friction that will get your bubbles nice and fluffy. But look, for me, that's not enough. I want all of the things. So I also will do a bath salt with Epsom salt. So Epsom salt has magnesium in it, and that is good for relaxation, for calming. There are actual therapeutic benefits to it. So I pour a little bath salt, and if I'm feeling crazy, because look, more is more, I'll even do a bath bomb. Another absolute must for me in my bath is a bath tray, and I have upgraded mine. I used to have a wire one and it got all rusty on me. It was nasty, it was not sturdy. So I upgraded to this bamboo one. This is everything. I got one for my mom for Mother's Day. Bamboo gives me a spa vibe. It's an amazing sustainable material. It's mildew resistant, and this just gives you all of your comforts, everything that you could want with you within hand's reach in your tub. You need all of your things with you. So this was a very worthy upgrade. The other thing you absolutely need to be doing during your bath, if you are not doing this yet, trust me, get your spa music playing. I have a little Bluetooth speaker in the bathroom. The music just really adds to the ambiance. Sometimes I'll do classical, but most of the time I will do spa music. Along with that, we cannot forget our aromatherapy. I am more of a diffuser person myself, so I have my diffuser upstairs, and I got these relaxing blends. My favorite is this one, the Relax, because it has jasmine, lavender, rose, basil, and bergamot, like all in one. Smells incredible. So I get that going in the diffuser. And then for my bath mat, because we had these slippery porcelain floors and my bath mats were slipping, it wasn't safe. So I switched to this bamboo bath mat. Yes, where will the bamboo obsession end? But this one not only gives amazing spa vibes, it's antimicrobial. There's little slots in between so any water can drain through. It dries itself. It's more sanitary than a regular bath mat. So as you can see with my bath, I like to do the most. I really like to turn it up. This is my favorite form of at-home self-care. Wentworth, what are you doing in my bath?
Oh, just keeping it warm for you, milady. Come join me.
But you guys, I'm not done yet, okay? I did a thing. I may have gone too far this time. Here it is, bubble bath mat that turns your bathtub into a jacuzzi with jets. I have not tried this. There weren't many reviews, so this could either be amazing or go horribly wrong. Here is what we have going. There's this mat on the bottom with these air circulating filters. There's the hose and the pump. And I have volunteered Wentworth to be our first test subject. Whoa, hold on, that's making the bubbles bigger.
Well, the bubbles are growing too quickly.
Oh my god. We're in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. The bubbles, they just keep on coming.
10 out of 10. A smashing success.
I'm ready for my jet.
Firing jets.
Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Are you kidding me right now? This is amazing. Wentworth, you really undersold this. Look at my bubbles. They're coming back to life. This feels so good.
I know,
It's
is it not?
gentle, bubbly massage.
Right? It's just like a spa.
Okay, verdict. That was freaking incredible. Don't do it if you have bubbles in your bath. Things are getting crazy. The other thing I would say, it's a little bit loud, but so is a regular jacuzzi. For me, wow, amazing. So now let's talk about those extra little added touches. These are maybe crossing the line into bougie territory, but I'm not gonna make apologies for this because it's worth it to me. And the first is my towel warmer. I shared this. This was my Christmas gift to myself. I've enjoyed it every day. Even in the warmer months, I still shower really early in the morning and my bathroom is frigid. The key and the secret with using a towel warmer, I get this going as soon as I wake up, before I brush my teeth, before I do anything else, because the longer your towel is in there, the more toasty it's gonna be. I also put my robe in there. I get that going for as long as possible, and I exit my shower and it's like I'm getting a warm hug. How's your toasty towel?
Oh, it's wonderful. Me buns are nice and toasty.
And because I'm committed and a little crazy, I tracked down the exact robe that they sell at my favorite spot, which is the Fairmont. Same one. And I like this one because it has the towel, like terry cloth interior, so it actually absorbs water after I get out of the shower. So this is a series, Bougie on a Budget. I am going to be showing you how to do a luxury facial at home, and then also specifically how you can elevate your shower in upcoming future videos. So make sure you are subscribed if you want to see that. And also if you want a special gift for yourself for Mother's Day coming up, or for your mom, or frankly send this to your husband, have him pick you up our beautiful motherhood pendant. And again, it is 10% off through Mother's Day. So I will have that information in the description box along with the links to everything else I shared in today's video. Thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye.
There's plenty of room for the both of us.
Where are you from, Wentworth?
I don't know.
Your accent keeps
It
changing.
changes all the time. Me mom was a bit Dutch and me dad was Aussie.
How long have you been a butler?
Oh, I do that on the side.